So first of all, can we talk about the sausage rolls? Who the fuck invented the sausage rolls? Because whoever invented them is an amazing person, because I have never had sausage rolls like that before in my life. And I feel like it's one of the great secrets you guys keep down here, which is a little bit of bullshit. You should be sharing that with the rest of the world.
Such a huge learning investment in tonight. It was just well worth it.
I really found the A1 to be quite amazing, and it's been an amazing presentation tonight. Really enjoyed it.
It's the sort of stuff you buy that you're only going to buy once, right? And it's going to last you for a long time. That's what Profoto represents, I guess.
Good content and fantastic food.